to make baked raspberry custard. It only takes about 30 minutes, so here are the ingredients.
You'll need 2 cups of raspberries, 3/4 of a cup of milk. You'll need half a cup plus a tablespoon of sugar, half a cup of flour, 3 large eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and half a stick of butter.
First, we're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
Now we're going to put this 9-inch pie plate with the half a stick of butter into the oven for about 6 minutes until the butter's melted. Next, we're going to put all of these items into the blender. Blend the mixture until it's smooth, so about 30 seconds. Remove it from the oven.
Distribute berries evenly in pie plate.
So now you're going to pour the batter on top of the raspberries.
Next, you sprinkle with your set-aside tablespoon of sugar. Bake until slightly puffed and set in the middle, which will be about 20 or 25 minutes.
After 20 minutes, ours was very puffed. We're going to broil it for 1 more minute until it's golden brown.